I lose my house keys.
Wrong, you lost your keys. Lost, not lose.
I send an email to the boss.
It's delivered. Say, I sent the email.
The plane take off into the clouds.
Once it hit the sky, the plane took off, not take off.
Can you say what you do yesterday?
Wrong, what you did yesterday. Let's master past tense together.
I hide behind the curtain.
During hide and seek, say, you hid behind it. Past tense, you hid behind it.
I forget her name.
You mean you forgot her name. Forgot, not forget.
I drop my boarding pass on the floor.
You dropped your boarding pass. Dropped, not drop.
I feed my cat last night.
Last night, I fed my cat. Fed, not feed.
I steal a slice of your pizza.
Past tense, say, I stole a slice.
I spin the globe.
A second ago, you must say, I spun the globe.
I spun the globe. I bite the green apple.
When your teeth hit it, you bit the apple.
The airplane land on the runway.
The moment its wheels touched down, it landed.
Landed, not land. I buy a brand new hat.
After paying, you should say, I bought a hat.
Oops, I break the ruler.
Not I break, you broke the ruler.
I catch the ball so easily.
Great! A second ago, you caught the ball.
Yesterday you teach me grammar rules.
Yesterday, I taught you grammar. Use taught, not teach.
I run 3 miles every single morning.
For yesterday, you should say, I ran 3 miles.
I press the call button for extra water.
A minute ago, you pressed the call button.
Today, I visit a famous art museum.
Wrong. Today, I visited the museum.
I shoot the paper ball into the basket.
You shot the paper ball, shot, not shoot.
I draw a funny picture.
When you finish, say, I drew a picture.
I compare the prices of 2 cereals.
Before putting one in the cart, you must say, I compared the prices.
Last night, I sleep on the couch.
Wrong. You should say, I slept on the couch.
I talk with my friends every day.
For yesterday, you should say, I talked with my friends.
I come home at 5 p.m.
In past tense, you should say, I came home at 5 p.m.
At lunch, I eat a sandwich.
For yesterday, I ate a sandwich.
We say goodbye for now.
Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning. Bye, everyone!